Question number 16. A dot board is a regular octagon divided into regions as shown. Suppose that a dot thrown at the board is equally likely to land anywhere on the board. What is the probability that the dot land within the center square, and this is the center square? So we can transform this problem into another problem. Basically, let's call this area is A1, and let's say total area is A2. This question can be answered by answering this question: what is the ratio of area 1 over area 2, right? In other words, the dot can land in anywhere on this octagon, right? Anywhere. But the probability of falling into the center square is the area of this divided by the total area, right? So what is the area of A1? For the easier calculation, we can say this is 1 unit size, and this is 1 as well. In other words, this is 1, right? This is a regular octagon, so all the outside edges are identical length. So A1 is 1 times 1 equal to 1, right? Now what is A2? A2, the total area can be thinking of in this A1, right? Plus, you have those, how many of this? 1, 2, 3, 4 of these triangle areas, right? And plus, you have a rectangulars, right? Let me use a different color here. Right, yeah, for those rectangulars. Okay. Now, this is a regular octagon. So if this is 1, and we know this has to be equal to, in the triangle, this is 1 and this is equilateral, this has to be square root 2 over 1, right? Because half this square plus that square equal to 1. So the area is half times the base, which is square root of 1. I mean 1 over square root 2 and then 1 over square root 2, right? So this actually is 1/4. This is 1/4, we have that. Now what's the area of this rectangular? This is 1. Area rectangular, this is 1, and we know this is square root 2 over square root 2, so the area is square root over, right? So this will be square root 1. So if we continue from here, this equal to 1 plus 1 plus 4 over square root 2, so which is 2 plus 4 square root 2. So the probability is A1 divided by A2. A1 is 1, A2 is 2 plus 4 square root 2, which is square root 2 and 2 square root 2 plus 4. And if you times 4 minus 2 square root 2 on both sides, you're going to have this 4 minus 2 square root 2 divided by 16 minus 4 times 2, that's 8. So this equal to 4 square root 2 minus 4 divided by 8. That's equal to square root 2 minus 1 divided by 2. So that's the probability, and the answer is A.